Hey guys, Finn here, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm playing Will You Press the Button? I'm pretty sure it's similar to Would You Rather, which I did yesterday night, which at like 10 o'clock at night. But most people, what they do is don't, if like they don't get the most people on the question, then they'll punish themselves. But this time I'm doing if I get most people to agree with me on the question, I will give myself a treat, which I have spicy Cheetos right here, and they're really good. So yeah, I'm going to eat a spicy Cheeto if I get something right. I do not have any milk, so yeah, might be fun. You can run with a speed of 100 miles per hour. You can only do it with your eyes closed. That means you're gonna run into cars and stuff. Okay, so I didn't get most of the people. I got 45%, and if I pressed the button, I would have got 55%. That was a good one. You can read other people's minds. While you're reading their mind, you can hear you reading it. It's not bad. Okay, so I got most of the people. I'm gonna eat a hot Cheeto. This is good. Your body will be in a good shape no matter what. Your voice will be super high pitched. I'm gonna pick that. Hold on. God dang it. Okay, once again, I have no idea who that is. Okay, I want to I want to press my button. I want to press the button just because it would be funny for my voice to be high pitched. Dang it! You can get every single game on Steam as soon as it releases. You're not allowed to have any friends on Steam. I mean, it depends. Do I have to pay? If I don't have to pay, then that would be so sick. I don't care about having friends on Steam. I'll press it. Yay, I get Cheeto. These aren't even spicy. Look at this comment. Worth it. Oh yeah. Who needs friends? Alright. This was a good dilemma. Every button you push on this site comes true. You have to visit this site once a day. It doesn't say how many questions, so I could just do one question. So I'll press it. Yes! Another Cheeto! Downside not found. You learn your destiny. You can't change it. My destiny is my destiny, though. It could be like a really suckish destiny. Like my destiny was to die. Something like that, you know? Did I press it? Oh, okay. That's Cheeto for me. Good. Huh? Okay. You have the ability to create a link between your mind and someone else's, allowing you to know their deepest secrets, etc. Whoever you create this link will be able to know your thoughts as well. I guess so, sure. Please? Yes! Yeah, I'm trying to get my like headphone like away from my head so you can't hear me chewing, but I keep forgetting. You can eat as much ice cream as you want. You would never have nightmares every night. As long as they don't come true, it's fine. Wow. You can see through stuff, X-ray vision in the daytime. At night, you're completely blind. Well, at night, I am basically awake because I wake up early and go to sleep late. Yeah, I will not. I will not. Yes! Cheeto time! Alright, see here. The Twilight series was never written. The Kardashians get 3 times as much air on multiple networks. Well, all I watch is YouTube. I don't watch much TV, so. I mean, are the Kardashians that bad? You instantly become fluent in any language of your choosing. You can never learn, understand another language aside from the one you choose. So if I don't choose English, then I'm not going to be able to speak English. And I can never speak English. I need English to talk to you guys. Oh, wait, I didn't press the button right. I hit Cheeto. Alright. You have the greatest adventure in your lifetime. You could never return home. I didn't make a new home until the the people at my home to come to me. Yay! Cheeto time. Alright. You retire today and live on a sprawling beach estate on a tropical island. It rains every other day. I like rain and snow. So yeah. Yes. Cheeto time. Alright. Where we at? Man, let's keep going. You become a popular celebrity. The only social media sites you're on you can post on is Google Plus and Subeta. I've never heard of Subeta, but I've heard of Google Plus. I mean, as long as I'm a popular celebrity, sure. Alright, cheer time. Alright, good. You become the best at your favorite video game. It only turns out people were were only playing it ironically, and now you're the only person that plays it. My favorite. Okay, I didn't mean to press the button. Can I go back? Well, I play Minecraft, and it's mostly on multiplayer servers. So I would be the only one. So yeah, I can't. Yay! Jordan. Okay. You are guaranteed total success in your choice of either money or love. You are guaranteed utter failure in the one you did not choose. No, I want success in money and love, and if I don't choose the other one, then yeah. Alright, I get another Cheeto. I should do this more often. I like these Cheetos. Okay. You could breathe underwater, under weather. I think that means water, but they typoed it. I wonder, does this have lines too? No, it's just really press the button. Okay. Because in would you rather it had like lines. You could breath underwater. No, you could breath under weather. When you touch water, you become a mermaid. I guess I'd be a merman. But I think this was written by like a 5-year-old. Sure, I'll become a merman. Yay, merman. Okay. Yeah, unlimited supplies of money. Nobody will ever love you or even like you. Never. Well, I need friends. I want friends. I no friends it is. Okay. I'm gonna do 2 more questions. You can make any girl in the world love you. They get fat 2 weeks later. I mean, I would love them the way they are. Wow, you guys are mean. You get to teleport into your favorite computer games at will. If you die there, you die in real life. That's like SAO, which is Sword Art Online. It's an anime, but they get trapped. They don't teleport into there. It depends. It could be like if it's like Team Fortress where you basically have to die in a round, then no. But if it's uh like a happy game, like no, because Doodle Jump you die. Basically every game you have to die in. So I will not. Alright. Anyways, guys, that will be the end of this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed it, and if you have, be sure to hit that like button if you want some more. Will you press the button, or would you rather, or Minecraft, or Rainbow Six Siege, or Black Ops 3? Yeah. Okay. So I hope you guys have enjoyed. Have a nice day, and I'll talk to you guys later.